Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2007 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.